All right, today's review is about BrainPOP. Now, like it says up there, whatever you teach, whatever your students want to explore, BrainPOP is a launch pad for curiosity. So BrainPOP is a great tool to use to teach a variety of subjects. It does cost money to utilize, although there is a free link. They have a couple different free topics. It's not as extensive as the subscription one, but it is free. So if you want to explore the free topics that they have, that's what I'm going to do today. If you do want to pay, they do have 12-month subscriptions. So for the 12-month subscription for BrainPOP, it's $230, and that covers grades 3 through 8 and on, so 3 to 8 plus. The junior edition is going to be $175 for grades K through 3. They do have an English language learning option for $150, and then they have a Spanish and French option for $170. So if your school or your district has plans with BrainPOP, that is super helpful. But if you do want to purchase it on your own for your classroom, there is a little bit of a cost for 12-month subscriptions. However, today I'm going to show you the free topics. BrainPOP has a couple different ones. They have, every day they have kind of a different free topic. So right now it's humans and the environment. It's plastic free July. So that's what they're doing. We're going to go ahead and go into that so we can see what this is all about. So I'll show you a quick clip of the video. I won't show it to you. I won't show the whole thing to you. Here we go.
Look at all this trash, Moby. Dear Tim and Moby, people keep telling us to save the planet. But what can I do to help the environment? From Bjorn. That is a great question. 3 of the best ways I can think of are conserving, cleaning up, and chiming in. Conserving means using less of things like energy and manufactured goods. Cleaning up means cleaning up after yourself for sure, but also after others when you can. And chiming in, that means you should speak up about protecting the environment. Well, for many thousands of years, humans have been using the Earth's natural resources, things like the air we breathe and the water we drink. But we've only made a major impact on the environment over the last 200 years or so.
All right, I'm going to stop it right there. You kind of get the idea. They have a topic, they start talking about it in a fun and creative way. With this topic, they also do provide worksheets. So different things that you can have your students be creative with. Graphic organizer. So write about why the 3 C's are needed, how to accomplish each. So figure out how the student can learn from the video and take what they learned and relate it back to their own needs and the challenges that they face in their own environment, how to clean up their own environment. There's vocabulary related reading. Something that's super cool is going to be this creative coding. There's a package required with this that's a little bit more expensive, but it is something that's great to utilize. They can also make their own movie, and there are some other fun games like Sortify. Let's click on that, and they have to sort these natural resources into different recycling buckets. So every video has these little resources connected to it that you can just really make that learning experience the best it can be, with also keeping kids engaged and learning about different topics. So like I said, they do have a lot of these free topics. They have a whole button here, all the free stuff. You click on that, you can see they have science, social studies, English, math, arts and music, health, engineering and tech, and then they even have more. They even have things for BrainPOP Junior, which is going to be the grades K through 3. So a lot of great opportunities on here, great resources, makes your job easier as an educator, keeps your students engaged, gives a variety of lessons, and keeps it creative. And that is BrainPOP.